Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add custom robots.txt in your Blogger blog. This is incredibly useful if you want to control how search engines crawl and index your site, helping you manage which pages are visible to search bots and which aren't. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and head over to blogger.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if you manage multiple blogs, as this will ensure you're working on the right site. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Blogger dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several options. Look for and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your blog, including SEO and indexing controls. Now, once you're in the Settings page, scroll down through the various options available. Keep going until you find a section labeled Crawlers and Indexing. This section specifically deals with how search engines interact with your blog, so it's exactly where we need to be for this task. Within the crawlers and indexing section, you'll see an option called Custom Robots.Txt. Make sure to enable this feature by toggling it on. Enabling this allows you to override the default Robots.Txt file that Blogger uses, giving you full control over what search engines can and cannot access on your blog. Right under the toggle, you'll now see a field labeled Custom Robots.Txt. Click on it to open the text editor where you'll input your custom roles. This is the space where you'll define your specific crawling instructions. For this example, let's say I already have a sample custom robots.txt file prepared. I'll copy the content from that file. Your custom robots.txt might include directives like user-agent, disallow, or allow, depending on what you want search engines to do. Make sure your syntax is correct to avoid any indexing issues. Now paste the copied content into the custom robots.txt field on Blogger. Take a moment to review what you've pasted to ensure everything looks correct and there are no typos or formatting errors. These small mistakes can affect how search engines crawl your site. Once you're satisfied with the content, click the Save button. Blogger will now apply your custom robots.txt file to your blog. This means search engines will start following the rules you've specified the next time they crawl your site. And that's it. You've successfully added custom robots.txt to your Blogger blog, giving you better control over your site's SEO and visibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.